Hello everybody, a big howdy from Texas. Okay. I noticed I wasn't getting very many hits, so I wanted to make a new video. Anyway, what you're looking right now, this is the Formula One track here in Austin, Texas. The construction. Now right now, I'm on the west side of the track. It's very windy today. We haven't had sunshine in days. Anyway, but if you see that what I'm pointing at right now, that's the very high turn. The highest turn up on the track right there that they're working on. You could see some cranes. They're getting the building, that building there, under construction. But as you can see, there is a lot of country out here. But even though we've got a lot of country, we're very close to Austin. Like right now where I'm standing at, I can be in downtown Austin in probably about 25 minutes. And I'm only about probably 15 miles away driving time. But anyway, see this old country road here? McAngus. No, excuse me, this is Ross Road Extension. Then it turns into McAngus. There's one of our cell towers. But anyway, as you can see, it's a cloudy day. Oh, there's one of our Texas buzzards right there. But anyway, let's get back over here. So what I'm doing is, this is all the country on the west side of the track. See, we've got a little hills over here. They're not mountains, but hills. Okay, I'm coming back around here. Here's some more. Right there, that's some more of the track also. That brown. Okay, I'm moving back. There's more of the track, that dirt, dark. Okay, let's go back here. More this way. Oh, and when you go over there and you're right there, that is the highest part of the track. But when you're there, you can see the whole city of Austin at that hilltop. All right, so I'll be back with a sunshiny day, but right now all we've got is clouds everywhere. But here we go here. There's the street, country. Come back this way. There's the buildings that'll be right at the Formula One. And let me see if I can zoom in. I'm going to try. Okay, I just zoomed in a little more. Okay, you can see they're working. It is March 8th, and right now it's about 11 o'clock in the morning. There's the cranes. But that is a very, as you can see, they've got the highest. If you look, the hills. Look at the hills that we have. Right there. See those hills? Okay, let's go back slowly. That there actually is where that turn is the highest hill. I've been there, and I can see all of Austin. It's a beautiful sight, and it's going to be really pretty at night when you see all the lights of the city. So as you can see, they were telling you there's a lot of country. But even though we're in the country, keep in mind, we're very close to Austin. If I were to get in my car right now, I could be in downtown Austin in 25 minutes. But they're busy. Let's see. And here, look at this. Look at all that country. Nothing going on here yet. Nothing but land everywhere. But I tell you one thing, there is a lot of land for sale now that this track popped up. Everywhere you go, nothing but for sale signs. Everywhere. So I used to live in the country, but now it's not so much country anymore. We've got a little traffic there. Car just passed me by. Anyway, just wanted you to know what it looked like. They kept telling you we were in the country. Well, here we are. There's the building in the distance. So they're really working hard, like I said. I could see those bright lights at nighttime. And as you can see, nothing but country. Look at this, not a store in sight. Look at all that country. Oh, this is on the other side of the street. That's a hill right there. Okay, one more time around. Look at that country. Can you get any more country than that? Okay. Oh, and don't forget our barbed wire fences. Real barbed wire. That's not the fake stuff. The real deal. Okay, let's get back over here. Back to the Formula One track. They're working hard. Stay tuned for more footage. It's a very high hill, what you're seeing. Very high. Watch, I'll back it up and you'll see. It's going to be beautiful. Oops, sorry.